Hello, folks. Welcome to your most awaited YouTube and Facebook page, Ameer's Academia. I have created this channel only for you to learn English positively, easily, effectively. Today, I'm making this video to let you know what are the benefits of subscribing and following our channel. Basically, Ameer's Academia is a channel where we'll get to learn about English language. Most of us, we don't really know where to start, how to start, what to start with, how to level up our English, or how to respond in different types of situations like business, interviews, casual conversations, and so on. This is the reason for you to subscribe our channel. In Ameer's Academia, you'll find all the contents in sincere and arranged way. We will design the journey to help from beginners to intermediate to advanced. For example, you may ask where to start. So basically, how do we start learning a language? We start with words. In our childhood, we start by saying papa, mama, daddy. So similarly, we'll also start with words, a lot of words. And then we will go to sentences. We'll start writing and making sentences. When we already have some words and sentences in our bag, we'll focus on grammar and accuracy. We'll go through grammatical rules and regulations so that we can make our English sophisticated and accurate. We'll also focus on different types of conversations such as interviews, business English, casual conversations, explanations, and many more things. We'll try to explore all the nuances of English language. So, end of the day, this channel will help your English learning journey efficient and easy like a piece of cake. All the best. See you in the next video.